Right, I've just taken delivery of this and put it together. Really easy, you don't need the instructions, it's very straightforward. I'm just going to compare it to my Dyson DC40. So you can see the width of the brush is narrower than the Dyson. Okay, and the machine is slightly taller than the Dyson. Excuse the skeleton in the background for my studies. Although it's taller, the wand is the same height, so it's just simply it's taller by about 3 inches. So if you're a tall person, it's probably got its advantages. Manoeuvring it, it's the same. So with the Dyson, it's got the ball angle turn thing, so you can bend it left and right, but it's the same. Although it doesn't have a ball, it moves the same. So I've just fapped all over this rug with the Dyson. It's about 5 years old. I recently cleaned it out and washed all the filters, so it's as good as it can be. I've also gone over the Dyson on this mat which attracts cat hairs like no one's business. So what I'm going to do now is just run over it now again with the shark to see if the shark picks up any more dirt out of this purple rug and whether it has any better on this cat hair magnet mat.